Good evening, everyone. So, finally, we are waiting for our next unique category. What does this unique person has to show? What is he doing that makes him actually different from the league? What is he up to at this young age? Oh my God, so many questions. Celebrating uniqueness, we have come a way far when we are getting amazing responses from the students telling us that, ma'am, we are doing this or we are doing that. And the list is endless. And believe me, it gives us immense pleasure to sort out those children who are really making change, who are really creating that difference in our society. Life is too short to crib. Life is too short to cry for something. Let's create history. History for ourselves. History for the people who actually wanted their ways to be paved out somewhat in another way. Today, I have with me a young, smart, dynamic drummer. That drummer who can, off the beat, take you right away to the next world. His drums beat not only to your ears, but definitely to your heart. Celebrating such a unique child, celebrating such a uniqueness is our pleasure. Bandesh is a drummer who will take off your feet and sweep you away with the bands. Let's hear it from Bandesh. Hi, Bandesh. Bandesh, are you there? We can't hear you.
Yes, I'm there.
Oh, great. So we can't see you.
Am I
Perfect.
audible?
Yeah. Hi, Bandesh. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
It's a pleasure to have you. Oh, I can already see the drummer sitting with all his drums. Bandesh, first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Uh, so I'm 15 years old. I study in district public school. I live in Ludhiana, Punjab. Uh, and I just started my and going with my drum life.
Oh, wow. Wonderful. When did you start playing your drums?
I just started my drums in early age when I was in first standard.
Oh my God, that early, first class.
Yes.
My God, I can't believe it. How did you actually think of playing drums?
Basically, as kid, I used to bang all the utensils in the kitchen. So my just and all the kids are full of energy. So my just father thought to use it and utilize it in a better way. So he put in me into music.
My,
So and after that, I just started, and now I'm on it.
so I mean, all these years you are now young, experienced youth of the nation. Tell me, where you have been playing your drums? Have you been somewhere to national levels? And tell me something about your history of playing drums and getting into various competitions and winning them. I know. Yeah.
Yeah. I have I have performed at many places, at government places also, and I have did many concerts, and
Wow.
I'm and this has made me Bandesh. So
Oh,
I'm an artist at Ishmesi Music Institute,
okay.
and yes, and
My God. पर बंदेश एक बात बताओ ये जितनी बार ड्रम्स बजाते ये पैशन से है या अब हैबिट हो गई है
passion, still is passion, and I wanted it to continue.
Oh, great. Do you want to carry it as your profession?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So can we see an academy or in Bollywood, Bandesh Singh playing the drums for Bollywood number
Yes,
soon?
very soon. Yes, very soon.
Wow. So I hope that you get your first film very, very soon. And then we can say, oh, this Bandesh Bacha, he came into, on the talk room and
Yes, I have did
all
one.
sorts.
It was a film. I also performed drums in that. in a particular role. The name was London 6.
Oh, wow. That's nice to know. So you are already a star. Come on. What are we waiting for there? We
Not a
already
big
have a
one.
star.
It's a small one.
Oh, role does not matter. You have played a role. That's भाई हमें तो किसी ने कभी बॉलीवुड में साइन नहीं किया तुम तो बॉलीवुड में भी जा चुके हो. Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. But tell me something, Bandesh. Is it really a difficult task to learn the art of playing drums? Does it require a lot of practice?
Yes, but also no. Basically, yes. How that you have to put hard work and determination in,
Okay.
and it's easy also. And if you are determined about it, and I think you can do it very easily. That's the basic funda of everything.
I can't stop to hear your drums beating so that after that I can go on with my questions because I really want to see you playing the drums.
Sure.
My God. Bandesh, that's so easy for you. And I was just looking at your hands, they were going here and there. I actually took a lot of time to, let me check wherein the hands are going. So, can you play something like a Bollywood number or something that can actually, take us to some a Hindi number, maybe a peppy song?
Sure.
Oh, great. My God, that seems so easy at your hands. But if I look at, I mean, I get a little confused where to play and when to play. I would be looking at 1, 2, 3 numbers first, I think. But I'm seriously hats off to you. You played so well, Bandesh. Tell me, who is the inspiration behind this young man, Bandesh?
Uh, Actually, all the gurus I have learned from are my inspiration. Actually, I don't
And where
have
did you
one
learn
guru.
it?
I don't have one
Okay.
guru. I have many of them.
Wow. So where did this start? Did you go to some institute, or how did this playing of the drum start?
Yes, I have been to Ishmi Singh Music Institute when I was a kid. Uh, in first standard, I just told you about it when I was in first. So I just mm, hope to go to Ishmi Institute. But there was I was too small in the height compared to my classmates. So the drums which I play now are the casual one. So I was too small for them. So I was not able to play drums there. So I just so my school there was a teacher in my school. He encouraged me to play drums. So as a kid with a small height, I just started playing drums on the casual kids, which was too big for me. So when the Schmidt Music Institute has called me that we have bought a baby drums, baby size drums. So then I just said them, no, I don't need them. Now I can play on the casual ones.
Oh, great, great. So that's how it started, right? And tell me one thing, Bandesh. What do you think? Like, I mean, studying and playing drums. I mean, drums need a lot of practice and a lot
Right.
of time when you actually think of it. How do you manage? How do you make a balance between your studies and your drums?
It's very easy. The one who is
Easy. Wow.
determined by at his passion. So my daily routine is just simple. I just go to school like just the normal kids go, and I spend my evenings, all my most of my evenings playing drums and practicing drums.
Okay. And when your exams approach, what do you do then?
When exams approach, I just मैं अपनी जो ड्रम्स की मेरी रूटीन है थोड़ा गिटा देता हूँ, दैट्स इट. I
Okay.
just play drums, I practice drums just to get refreshed.
Oh, wow. So it gives you a mental ease and
Yes, yes, it
relaxation.
does.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you. Bandesh, जब हम कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं और we want to get relaxed out of some hectic schedules, whatever our passion is, I think when we get back into it, it helps a great deal. Very, very nicely said. Bandesh, what is one message that you want to give to your viewers today?
Just be determined about what you want to be, like what you like.
Mm-hmm.
The main thing that matters is do the thing that you like to do. Don't be get forced to do things.
Wow, that is so well said. I mean, Vandesh, at your age, I would have been finding out words to say, like, I have to give a message, and you just came out with such an ease. Thank you so much for being here today, this evening, Vandesh. It was a real pleasure to be there with you. Your certificates will be reaching you soon. And I hope and I wish to see you as the biggest drummer of the world. And then we'll come and take your autographs. So I
Yeah.
hope that day comes very soon. All the blessings from the top room and from me.
And
Thank you.
now, as a drummer, it's been 6 to 7 years. I'm playing drums. Now it's my ninth year. I'm in ninth class now.
Wow.
And till now, I am not. मैं सिर्फ ड्रम तक सीमित नहीं हूँ. I
Uh-huh.
can play more instruments. I have
Okay.
djembe. I have kyon.
Wow.
Don't just talk about them. I'll show you one of my instrument.
Sure. Please show it to us.
It's a Spanish instrument. Basically, it's been played since early ages for ballet
Okay.
dancing.
Oh, wow. This is quite interesting. This too, we didn't know about it. Oh, wonderful. We want you to play this.
Yeah, sure. I just keep it down. Thank you.
Wow. Very nice. Very well played. This is something actually I'm
Thank
seeing this instrument for the first time.
Yeah. It's a traditional instrument actually.
Ah, it's a traditional one.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
nice. And is it still used these days?
Yes. It's been still used these days with one
Okay.
more instrument that is called darbuka.
Oh, okay.
And their sister of darbuka or a brother of darbuka, we say djembe. It's an African instrument.
Okay.
Let's give you a view of it also.
Sure. I have to come to your music room the next time I come to visit you. Oh,
Sure,
this
sure,
I've
sure.
seen. Okay, so we really want to you to play this for us. My God. Bandesh, you know what? I know how to play sitar. So, what we'll do is one day I'll come to your place and we'll make this combination of playing sitar and the drums together and your traditional instruments because sitar is also something very
It would be the
traditional.
best jam ever.
Yeah, of course. And let's create it one day. That's wonderful, Bandesh. It's been a pleasure to know you and all the instruments that you've been playing. I mean, getting back to the tradition and playing those traditional instruments really carries a lot of weightage, and it really gives us a glimpse that the kind of person you are. Thank you so very much for being here with us this evening. Let's celebrate this drummer with a huge round of applause. He's been extremely surprising and very well. Thank you so much, Bandesh, for being here with us in the studio.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, viewers. Oh my God, are you all still mesmerized or in awe of Bandesh? Don't worry, you'll get to see him soon playing in some of the concerts or maybe, in the largest music stations. So we hope that, children keep on focusing and be determined, as Bandesh said, in whatever they do, let them be and let them just rock their world as they want to do. Because one thing they ask from us is independence and taking their decisions. And somewhere, believe me, we must have that trust in them. We must believe in their abilities and capabilities. With this, Swarleen is signing off. Yet another episode of Celebrating Uniqueness will be back tomorrow the same time. Till then, stay safe, take care.